Now, for all you workers, for all of y'all that use exotic woods, you might want to keep your sawdust. If there's a way for you to extract it without mixing it with anything else, it might be wise to keep it. That way, if you want to use it for design, like here, you want to do animals, you can put your glue on as the animal and then sprinkle your sawdust. That way you can create whatever animal you like and use natural exotic wood. Now, you also may want to use it as 3D work, like here. You can create a 3D dimensional like it is here. If you're not going to use it for that, you can use it the way it's done here. Like this black ivory here is around the doors and the drawers, inside and out. So if you got the sawdust, you might want to keep it, because there's many uses for the sawdust. So try using sawdust for something other than the trash. You can use it for framing the doors, 3D effects, or you can use it to design your piece of work. The choice is yours. Never forget, keep the sawdust and play with the sawdust. From the brain.